Hello and welcome. Let's learn how to make a box plot. First, why? Well, we can create a picture of quantitative data by creating a box plot. Here we have a set of data, in this case the ages of several people, and we can organize that data into a graph known as a box plot. Now, to make a box plot, we must first find the 5-number summary of the data. To find it, we need to order the data from least to greatest. Then we're going to find the minimum value, and we're going to call this the min. We're going to find the maximum value, which is the max. We're going to find the median of the data. We're going to call that median or Q2. And then we're going to find the median of the first half. Because that's the end of the first quarter of the data, we call that quarter 1 or Q1. And then we're going to find the median of the second half of the data. Because that's going to be the end of the third quarter, we call that Q3. Once we have those values, we're going to draw something that looks like this, where the min is represented on the left side of our plot, the max is represented all the way on the right, Q2 in the middle, and Q1 and Q3 are going to be the ends of our box. And that's our box plot. Let's look at an example. Here we have the table that's showing us points scored by 2 different basketball players. If we look at player A's data, I'm going to order it from least to greatest. I'm going to find the minimum, the maximum, just by looking all the way on the left and all the way on the right. And then I'm going to find the middle value. In this case, 18 falls right in the middle. So that is considered our Q2 or our median. If we look all the way on the left to the first half of the data, I'm going to find the middle of that. To find the median of 2 numbers, I add them together and divide by 2, which gives me 10 in this case. And then I'm going to find the middle of the second half of the data. In this case, that's going to fall right in between 2 of the same numbers. So we're just going to go ahead and say it's got to be 21. Once I have these points, I put a line over 6, a line over 10, a line over 18, a line over 21, and a line over 24. And I'm going to connect the Q1 to Q3 to form a box. And there's my box plot. What conclusions can we make from this box plot? Well, this data seems roughly symmetric because the left and the right side are both kind of stretched out the same from the center. You might say it's a little skewed to the left, actually. And we have a center around 18 years old. Do you see any other conclusions that you can make? Thank you. We hope this video is helpful and that you visit us again.